Welcome. My name is Christian Skies, and in today's relaxing audio journey, you find yourself pottering in a warm, well-kept greenhouse. You stroll beside the raised garden beds, looking at the rich colors and textures of the vegetables and flowers in each plot. When you pause and take the time to look, you're amazed at the variety, even within one vegetable bed. First, you notice the lettuces, round and green. The ruffled outer leaves curl protectively over the hearts. Gently, you part the leaves, peel off an inner leaf, and taste the fresh, juicy crispness. You breathe in, allowing the fresh, leafy smell to your nostrils. Hold a moment, savoring the smell, and exhale with a whoosh. Your daily cares disappear with the breath. Now you turn your attention to other lettuce plants in the plot. Red, green, and variegated, the cut and come again lettuces are everywhere. Now you notice rocket and parsley. Indeed, there's a whole salad bowl of greens growing in this greenhouse. You smile, thinking of the joy of eating your salad fresh from the garden. Breathe the fresh green smells again, in and out. As your cares melt away, you notice sounds within the greenhouse. When you first arrived, it seemed still and quiet. But now you hear the deep, content buzz of bumblebees and the gentle trickle of water nearby. Strolling on, you find great pots overflowing with orange nasturtiums and others filled with golden marigolds. Beyond these, you spot more pots filled with delicate purple-blue borage, and smaller ones cascading with thyme. Here is where the bees are busy, pollinating the flowers, while they take their fill of nectar. We all need bees in our lives, you remember, and you sink down on a nearby bench, content to watch. The buzzing drone slows your heartbeat and makes you drowsy, so you close your eyes, listen, and breathe more of your worries away. When you open your eyes again, you want to join the bees in caring for this lovely place. Finding a nearby trowel, you move to another bed. Here are carrots waving their tops and a jumble of pea plants almost ready to flower. You notice a few weeds peeping through the compost. A weed isn't bad in itself, you know. It's simply a plant growing in the wrong place. But you don't want these ones to overwhelm your vegetables, so you dig the trowel deep into the rich, dark earth. It goes in smoothly. You feel calm and useful, pulling the weeds and smelling the earthy aroma of freshly turned soil. Now, you follow the trickle and find a sprinkler spreading raindrops over strawberry plants. At first glance, you can't see a single fruit, but when you bend down and hold back the spreading leaves, you find the rich red berries bobbing below. You remember the joy of strawberries and ice cream on sunny summer picnics. You can't eat just one, so you pick berry after berry. With your hands full, you sink down on the old deck chair in the corner and begin to eat. The fresh, tart sweetness fills your mouth. Contented, you lean back in your chair, all your tension gone and ready to live in this moment. For the next few minutes, you decide to just look around you and breathe. Thank you for listening. I hope that this audio journey has helped you unwind or maybe even fall asleep. Even though these videos are a lot of fun to write, record and produce by our team, they are also very costly and time-consuming to make. If you want to support our work and allow us to make more of these in the months and years to come, we have a few donation options down below in the description. Also, if you're curious about what kind of equipment I use to make these audio journeys, such as microphones, recorders, etc., I have a link down below for that as well. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.